One day, I made a decision. I was going to build my body, get stronger, actually commit this time. And the moment I made that decision, something strange happened. My mind immediately started talking. You are not that skinny. Where will you find a gym? It's painful. Have something sweet first. It was like someone installed a resistance program the second I decided to change. And I had one simple question. If this is good for me, why is my own mind fighting it? That question changed how I understand everything about motivation, habits, and why people stay stuck. So I started tracking it. Every time I decided to improve something, my body, my habits, my schedule, resistance showed up immediately. But it wasn't the goal that triggered it. It was the words. Think about the language we use when we decided to change. I'm going to destroy this habit. I'm going to cut out junk food. I'm going to delete this behavior. I'm going to change my body. Destroy, cut, delete, change. Your conscious mind hears ambition, but your subconscious mind is much older than ambition. It doesn't understand self improvement. It understands one thing: survival. And when it hears destroy, cut, delete, it registers something being removed, something being lost, and lost to the brain feels like danger. So it does what it was designed to do. When it senses danger, it protects you through procrastination, through sudden fatigue, through cravings, through very logical reasons why now is not the right time. It's not weakness, it's not lack of discipline. Your subconscious is literally protecting you from words you choose carelessly. Think back to your earliest memories of the word change. Change your clothes, change your toys, change the bulb, change your bike. Every single time you heard that word, something was replaced, something disappeared. Long before you were conscious of it, your brain quietly linked change with loss. So now, years later, when you say, I'm going to change my body, your brain doesn't hear transformation. It hears something about you is about to disappear, and it defends what already exists. That's why you can want something deeply and still feel resistance the moment you move towards it. The problem was never your willpower, it was your words. Once I understood this, I stopped fighting my mind and started working with it. The first thing I changed was the language. Instead of I'm going to change my body, I said I'm going to upgrade my body. Change feel like loss, upgrade feel like advantage. Instead of I have to wake up at 5 a.m., I said I'm gaining 3 extra hours while everyone is sleeping. The mind resists force, it responds to advantage. But even with better language, the beginning is still where most resistance lives. Because the mind hasn't experienced the new behavior yet, it doesn't trust it. So I stop negotiating with it entirely. When resistance shows up, and it will, don't argue. Don't try to convince yourself. Just give one command. And use this word carefully: completion. Don't say I'm going to do 15 push ups. Say I'm completing 15 push ups. Doing depends on mood. Doing is flexible. Doing can be postponed. Completion work differently. Think of it like a snooze button on your alarm. When you press snooze, the alarm doesn't disappear. It waits. That low level tension stays in the background, pulling at you until you either get up, turn it off completely. Your mind works exactly the same way. The moment you say, I'm completing 15 push ups, your mind sets that alarm. It will keep reminding you, keep pulling you back, keep creating that tension until it's done. So when resistance shows up at the beginning, don't argue with it. Say the command once, then ignore every voice that follows. The alarm is already set. Your mind will do the rest. Your brain is not your enemy. It's just running very old definitions. Change meant loss, destroy meant danger, cut meant pain. So update the definitions. Upgrade instead of change. Gain instead of sacrifice. Completion instead of attempt. Stop declaring war on yourself and start speaking a language your mind can actually work with. Because the version of you that you are trying to become, they are not more disciplined than you. They just stopped fighting their own mind and started working with it instead.